Hey everyone, welcome back to Luxury with Kelvin. I'm Kelvin. Duh, hello. So today we are talking about Makeup by Mario's new launches. I have 5 in my hand. So let's see, one is called the SoftSculpt Transforming Skin Perfector, and it's called Radiant Skin Powder. And the other one is called SoftSculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer All Over Warming Complexion Tint. So I have 5, like I mentioned. So I rushed to Sephora, which was yesterday. Not even that. I actually ordered 2 of them online, and I had it for online. What is it called? Buy online, pick up in store. So I literally went to Sephora and I picked up the 2, but then when I realized that the 2 that I ordered, which was medium, it looked a little light. So I also ordered medium dark and dark. But I just want to say, let's talk about this real quick, right? Let's talk about the packaging. I feel like as a consumer, just someone that just loves to buy a lot of stuff, I was in the store and I was grabbing the other shades that I needed that were darker because I felt like the ones that I bought were medium. They were too close to my skin coloring, especially now that I have a little bit of a tan from laying out at the beach. Let's talk about this. So I have in one hand, I have Skin Enhancer and the other one is Skin Perfector. If you look in the camera, you can barely see the difference of which is which, right? Like, I feel like Makeup by Mario's team, you need to take note. Whoever did the packaging, take note. Because the writing is so small, as a consumer, let's just say like the consumer is shopping at Sephora at the gondola, right? And they're like, oh yeah, let me grab SoftSculpt in the shade dark. They're like, oh, they swatched it. They're like, oh, it's perfect. Let me go reach for it. What if she reaches for dark, but then she grabs dark in the other formula? So I feel like what they need to do is make the words bigger, like how Makeup by Mario is big. They should have did like SoftSculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer. Like fill up this entire black space so it's large lettering. So when people pick it up, they don't pick up Skin Perfector. Because I feel like that was something that I realized when I was grabbing it. I was like, oh wait, it's so small. You have to like squint your eyes to be like, what does that say? So just a little FYI, just because I'm sure I'm not the only one that could have maybe grabbed the wrong one. I'm sure that there are plenty of other people out there that meant to grab Enhancer, but they grab Perfector, or they meant to grab Perfector, but they grab Enhancer. So just FYI. Let's actually read about this on the Sephora website. Let's see what it actually claims that it's supposed to do, because I technically really only bought them as like a bronzer. So let's read. So I have pulled up the SoftSculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer. It claims it's a 3-in-1 tinted complexion balm that warms and nourishes with sheer coverage to even out the appearance of skin tone. Okay, so basically it's like a very sheer tint that will give you a little color and evening out. Okay, so that is the Skin Enhancer. Now the Skin Perfector is claiming to do a 3-in-1 powder to perfect, illuminate, and set makeup for a radiant glow with an airbrushed effect on skin. I have medium in Perfector and medium in Enhancer. Look at the interesting part. So I remember in Mario's video that he said that the top part is like a translucent powder, the middle part is like a highlighter, I think he said, and then the last one is a bronzer. I forget, but it's interesting how they're very different in color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it. I'm gonna swatch them to see what they'll look like on the face. Oh wow, that's medium. That's actually a good color. That's medium dark, and then here is dark. Alright, so those are the swatches, if you can see that. So on your screen it's going to be left to right. So it's medium, medium dark, and dark. I'll turn to the side so you guys can see that. So looking at the swatches, definitely dark is not my shade, so I don't know what I was thinking. Sometimes when you go to Sephora, sometimes the lighting, it's a little too warm, and the colors kind of look all the same, but clearly in this lighting you can tell that definitely the shade dark is not my shade. I could really rock. I would definitely tell you that medium is more of a golden warm undertone, and medium dark is kind of like neutral. It's like not warm and it's not cool. It's like right in the middle. So I'm gonna try using medium as my all over shade. Now I will say this doesn't appeal to me as like something I would use as like a foundation or tinted moisturizer. I would, if as a consumer, I would just use it as like a cream bronzer, but let's just try it. Let's be open-minded. Let's just try it and we'll see what it looks like just on its own. I just feel like I know myself and I would never use it on its own, but you know, we'll try it. I'm gonna use this brush that I've had for a very long time. It's from Bobbi Brown. It's like a dual-ended brush. Looks like this, if you'll focus. Yeah, I've had this brush for a long time. So we're gonna dip into medium and we're gonna just try this all over the skin. It's actually really pretty. Now, the only problem is this is medium and it's too warm. It's pulling more of like a really warm undertone. So like think warm, think like warmth. Think like a little bit of red in there. There's a little bit of red because my neck is, I carry more olive and this is just a little too warm. I will say this would be good for maybe like when I get a little bit more color. Although this is pretty tan already for me. This is like, I mean, this is from like a beach, maybe from like 2 or 3 weeks ago. This is pretty darn tan. Here's my blank side, which is my bare skin. I have nothing on it. And then here is the skin enhancer. Right? Skin enhancer. See, that's the thing, right? You don't know the difference, right? Just from closing it. Well, one has like one is like a matte, like a matte, semi-matte front, and then one is like see-through glossy. So I guess there is a difference, but still, you gotta like, you know, you gotta look in the back to see what it is. This looks really darn good. This looks amazing. And it feels like nothing. It feels weightless on the skin. Yeah, that looks great. I'm gonna go into this, the Skin Perfector now in the shade medium. So I use medium in enhancer. Now I'm gonna use medium in this. And we're just gonna set it, I guess. Okay. I already have thoughts. Here is, again, bare face, nothing. This is, that's with the powder. So definitely what I noticed with the powder is it sets it. And interestingly, even though it looks lighter in the pan, like when you look at it, right? When you hold this compared to the Skin Enhancer. So just to show, you know, you put Skin Enhancer, it looks like an actual cream bronzer, but then when you put the actual powder on, it looks light in the pan. But when you put it on the face, it's literally like the same color or the same exact thing. But definitely what I noticed is there is like, I mean, it's basically shimmery. It's not super shimmery, but it's definitely shimmery in the essence that like I have really large pores in this area and it doesn't hide it, conceal it, blur it. The only thing is, I'll be really honest, I myself wouldn't wear this on its own because I know that it doesn't match my neck. So if I wore this all over my face, I would have like a really warm face and then I would have a really olive neck. So I know for myself, I wouldn't wear this on its own, but I feel like if you're able to find, okay, I feel like for you, if you're someone that doesn't mind the face being darker than the neck, oh, you will love this product on its own with the powder. Like the two combo for summer, you'll love it because it feels like nothing and it looks like nothing, which is great, right? But me personally, I like for things to match the neck. I don't like the demarcation. And so knowing that, I wouldn't wear it on its own. However, What I will do is I'm going to add my Armani Neo Nude foundation, which is my holy grail. Let's actually try it on this side of the face, which has nothing. And let's actually see what it'll look like on top of foundation. So now I have my Armani Neo Nude, so just that's what it looks like. It's like my favorite. This is like my favorite. I'm always talking about this. This is like my 4th video talking about this. This is amazing. It's basically like a great foundation, a great tint and moisturizer foundation for me. So I have this all over this side and the forehead. See what it looks like with the shade medium in enhancer. Let's try it. We're gonna use this as a cream bronzer. Oh yeah. See, now this is what we're talking about. It's just, wow. This product is amazing. I can already assure you that. I can already assure you that this is amazing. This is just, this product is just so like sheer. It's like a veil. It's like a veil. It's like adding a veil of color to your skin. Now, of course, obviously, I feel like, in my personal opinion, I feel like if you can find your own shade that matches your neck, use it all over. Because it's gorgeous. It doesn't even enhance texture. That's one thing that I always forget to mention is, for me, when I buy makeup and put makeup on, it needs to be very smoothing on texture, meaning smooths away all that bumps and lumps and pores. If you have flawless skin, then you can wear anything. But I unfortunately don't have flawless skin, and I wish I did. Because if I had, well, first of all, if I have flawless skin, camera died. What I was saying is that if I have flawless skin, I wouldn't even be wearing makeup in the first place. But, you know, I feel like this for sure is hitting it out of the park. It is amazing. This is the enhancer in the shade medium. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know if, here, let me do a full thing, look at that glow. This is amazing. Oh my God. This is amazing because it's glowy, it's natural, it doesn't enhance like pores, it doesn't enhance texture, it looks smooth, it looks sheer, meaning like it doesn't look heavy. You know, like, you know, we wear makeup so that we look good in real life, right? Like we just want to, or at least for myself, I want to wear makeup so I look like myself, just a little bit more refreshed, you know, and pulled together. And that looks just amazing. It's like not the bronze, it just, I mean, I'm using it as a cream bronzer because that's really what I bought it for initially. And it's amazing. It's just so smooth. It's smooth and it gives a little color. Oh my God. Let's do like a smaller brush. Let's try like a little precise brush. Maybe we'll grab like the very top part, just as like the setting powder he said, and we'll just try it as like a highlighter. We'll even put a little bit under the eyes. Okay, see, like that looks good. Okay, that looks really good. If you guys can see it, I'm just giving you a little up close. Yeah, that's pretty. You know what? The powder isn't bad too. The Perfector. I hate that I have to keep, because they look the same, I hate that I have to keep looking in the back to see which is which. You know, I'm trying to embed it in my head to remember that this is, the cream is enhancer, powder is Perfector. But you know, it's because it looks the same. You can't know the difference on just from looking at it in front. That looks great. So I just dipped into like just like the top part, the powder, and I think it's the highlighter. I think I just dabbed into right in between the middle. And that looks great. That looks phenomenal. Like, this is what I would do. I would just do this. I would just do like a tinted moisturizer foundation, that beautiful enhancer right here, and a little bit of like that, the Perfector. That's gorgeous. Yeah, that's definitely gorgeous. Summing it up, definitely go out, get the skin enhancer if you can. Get this. If you can get a hold of this, get this. You know, the powder is nice. I don't think you need it. I really don't think you need it. Although it's nice that the fact that it's like, it's 3 layers, so you can like, you know, you can use them individually, like the bronzer, the highlight, and the setting powder. You can use them individually. But what really, really, truly impressed me is the skin enhancer because it's so smoothing. Oh, I can't get over it. I can't get over how smooth it looks and it's so easy. It was so, like with a synthetic brush, I just like, it was just so easy to blend and it was just so, it was so effortless. Look at that. Oh my God, I can't get over it. This is how crazy it is. I can't get over it. This side looks nice too. So again, if you can find your perfect shade in the cream, wear it all over because it's gorgeous. Look at the glow that it gives. And that's of course with the Perfector on top. But if you're wearing your regular foundation or tint and using this as a cream bronzer, look at that. Ugh. So that's the Mario side. Here's the foundation with the Mario side. You guys, you know, and of course makeup is, you know, the great thing about makeup is you don't have to do exactly what I say, you know, definitely, you know, tailor it to your way, you know, whatever you feel comfortable with, you know, if you don't mind the skin looking a little bit more warmer, wear this all over. It's gorgeous. Yeah, final thoughts, just get the enhancer. Don't even just swatch your shade in store have a Sephora artist swatch you or match you. Get it. Don't stand there, don't second guess it, just get it. That's, oh, it's amazing. It's impressive. That's it. I'm signing out, and those are my thoughts, and I'm sticking with it, and yeah, get it. Don't get it before it sells out. It's probably already sold out. Actually, let's look. Let's look on the, no, it's actually still in stock. Yeah, all the shades are in stock. So definitely get it. It's 30 bucks. You know, it's not expensive, so again, for the 90th time, go get it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoy my content, please subscribe and like the video. I definitely will be doing more videos. I have Charlotte Tilbury, the new cream bronzer coming up. I also have AG1. It's a skin powder. It's a supplement. It's like a powder supplement drink. So that's an interesting one. So stay tuned for that. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.